Welcome to the unboxing of the Bowers & Wilkins 700 Series S3 5-channel surround sound speaker system. The components in this setup are a pair of 703 S3 tower speakers, a pair of 705 S3 bookshelves, and the HTM71 S3 center channel. It's a simple 5.1 system, but the goal here is quality over quantity. Let's start with the center channel, which is the most important channel for watching movies with a surround system. Fit and finish is top tier. The Mocha matte wood grain finish looks suitably luxurious, while the speaker terminals are substantial, support biamping, and are polished to a glisten. With a more common two-way center channel, one featuring a woofer-tweeter woofer array, if you sit off to the side, it will affect the speaker's tonality. But this effect is avoided if a center channel also has a mid-range driver in a three-way design, as seen here. Notice how the tweeter on top is located directly above the mid-range, decoupled from the main cabinet using a biomimetic suspension. The 5-inch mid-range driver is made of a proprietary fabric the company calls Continuum and is also decoupled. The dual 5-inch bass drivers use sandwiched foam aerofoil construction for enhanced rigidity. Next up are the 705 S3 bookshelf speakers. In this system, they are used as surrounds. These are a two-way design with the decoupled carbon dome tweeter and a 6.5-inch Continuum mid/bass driver. Like with the center, Bowers & Wilkins provides foam plugs and stick-on rubber pads to act as feet. You can also purchase dedicated stands onto which you bolt the 705 S3 speakers. The Mocha finish makes these very attractive speakers. If you look closely, you can see the front baffle on the 705 S3 is gently curved. According to the specifications, these bookshelf speakers will cover 50 Hz to 28 kHz plus or minus 3 decibels. Power handling is rated at 120 watts, and the speaker carries an 8 ohm rating, although it dips as low as 3.7 ohms. The key here is that the surrounds share the same tweeter as the center and towers, and the mid/bass driver features the same Continuum material. The goal, of course, is to have the surround sonically match the center and towers. And now, the towers. The center channel may be the most important for movies, but for music, the front left and right speakers do all the heavy lifting. This is a formidable tower, and when you compare the specs to the HTM71 S3 center, it's apparent they are very similar in capability and essentially have the same features, including the decoupled Continuum cone mid-range. The 703 S3 tower required a little bit of assembly. There's a pedestal base that bolts on, serving a similar purpose to outrigger feet, giving the speaker a more stable stance. You can then choose to install either rubber feet or spikes. This speaker is rated at 200 watts power handling and offers 46 Hz to 28 kHz response, according to the specs. As with the other 700 series models, fit and finish is impeccable. The Mocha wood grain once again makes a strikingly stylish statement, especially in contrast with the dual bass drivers, the silver Continuum mid-range, and the signature standalone tweeter that's perched above it all. The unboxed towers complete this 5-speaker 700 series S3 system, which is now ready to review. Thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.